Okay, hey everybody, I'm with Mikey here, and we are going to show you how to broadcast a Google document. Right, Mikey? Yes, yes, yes. All right, so off to the side, I have some tools, and one of them is called Screen Share. I'm going to hit Screen Share, and then I have a couple options for which window I would need to select. And I'm probably going to have to go with the entire screen one. And I'll go ahead and share. And that kind of puts a window within a window within a window. And I'm just going to slide over to my other screen. And here I have my Google document opened up. Now you shouldn't be able to see my face, but you can hear me. And this is how I would show my students how to work through a document. And this idea actually came from Rhonda Cotterman. And she wanted to create an agenda for her students to use every day, and had all the links and everything pre-made up for them. So all I did is I made up a table, and I put some links in them, and this is how I set it up. You just go up top into a Google document, and you go to Table, Insert Table, pick how big it was, and I made mine 2 by 6, and we're just going to go down and pick it, okay? So maybe this is week 1, and then this is going to be my next week. Day, maybe I'll do March 2nd to 9th or something. Now I'm just going to copy my days, and I Control C, and then I Control V it. And then all you have to do, the Google Doc is actually pretty smart for links. So let's say I was having a Kahoot game on. All you have to do is just type in Kahoot, and then when you select that word and you hit Ctrl K at the same time on your keyboard, it's going to find links that are very similar to that. And whenever the kids play the game, they have to use Kahoot IT. So I click that and I apply it, and then I just made a quick link. So thank you, Rhonda. This was a great idea to keep all the links together for your kids. And what you would do is you would share this document with them in Google Classroom. So I'm going to open up my Google Classroom, and there's a couple ways that I could share this document. One way is I can just make an announcement, and I can say, here is the agenda for the week, and I can go into my Google Drive, and it should be able to find that last document that I just made. And that was in my LMS resources folder. So there's that Google Classroom practice, and I add it. And that is just going to go to those people. Now, since I just posted that to my class, all of my students should just receive a Gmail notification that was going through. Now, let's say I go through the week and I forget, oh, I didn't get to this week. The kids didn't get to make Discovery Ed. If you change this document in your Google Drive, it will reflect the change for your students, which is a great way to keep on top of it. And what I would do is I would just keep adding on to this document every week. That way, if a kid is ever absent, they can always go back and reflect on what they missed in your room. What? Yeah, exactly. Oh, you emptied them all? Okay, we'll have to get you more in a second. The other place you can do it is if you go to the About section of your class. This could be where you have all your stuff saved. This could be all of your go-to documents that you always keep for your students. Maybe you can have an essential Google Drive folder that has a bunch of stuff onto it. Or in this case, I'm going to put my agenda on here because this is the one document that my kids need to use every week, and it's going to constantly change for them. So I'm just going to go down to the bottom of the About section of my page. And where it says Add Materials, I'm going to give it a name, maybe Weekly Agenda. And again, just like before, I hit that Google Drive button, and it should be the last thing that I had selected, which was under my LMS resources. And there's that document, and I post it. Now the kids don't have to search all over the main stream. It'll be right into that area of my About section. So now that I'm all done sharing this part of the video, I just had to hit Stop Sharing on the bottom here. And once I hit stop sharing, it's going to go back to my first screen that I was in. So I'm going to stop the sharing, and it should go back to this video of us. Mikey, do you have anything you need to share with the video? Anything you need to discuss? You're contentious eating crackers, huh? Yeah, okay. So now that the video is all done, and you know how to create that document, you know how to share it, we're going to hit stop broadcast on the bottom. When I hit stop broadcast, what it's going to do is it's going to upload this video to my YouTube channel. And anyone that I added the event to, they will be able to watch this. So we're going to stop the broadcast now, and thank you for watching.